Okay, here's a quick little video for Deep and Hawk Racing. I made a door handle pull. I've got the escutcheons made, but I haven't got the slots put in them yet, so I'm not finalizing my shape until after I get the things put in the door. And David Paris donated me a couple of little rod ends. The long threaded rod was from McMaster Carr. If you cut about that much off of it, hook both the threaded rods up, and put this thing into the door, it ends up looking like that. Here's a little countersunk pivot because the aluminum plate sits up there. Here is the adjustable part of it, so I didn't know what my ratio was going to be when I did it, but it ends up that's about perfect. Leave a couple for the spring. Slide back here for the door latch, trimmed a little bit, put the other one on the door latch. And as you can see here, she works real nice. So now I can figure out, since I know what the arc is going to be, I know how big a slot to make for the escutcheon. And this is going to be, the escutcheon that's going to go on like this. So it has a finger pull on it, and it'll all be tidied up a little bit and cleaned up. And that's what it looks like. So talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.